Hello friends, today is 25th of March 2025 and today daily law is cultivate negative capability. In the chapter, the author Robert Greene says the ability to endure and even embrace mysteries and uncertainties is what the poet John Keats called negative capability. All masters possesses this negative capability and it is the source of their creative power. This quality allows them to entertain a broader range of ideas and experiment with them, which in turn makes their work richer and more inventive. Throughout his career, Mozart never asserted any particular opinions about music. Instead, he absorbed the styles he heard around himself and incorporated them into his own voice. Late in his career, he encountered for the first time the music of Johann Sebastian Bach, kind of music very different from his own and in some ways more complex. Most artists would grow defensive and dismissive of something that challenged their own principles. Instead, Mozart opened his mind up to new possibilities, studying Bach's use of counterpoint for nearly a year and absorbing it into his own vocabulary. This gave his music a new and surprising quality. This might seem like some kind of poetic conceit, but in fact, cultivating negative capability will be the single most important factor in your success as a creative thinker. The need for certainty is the greatest disease the mind faces. Daily law is develop the habit of suspending the need to judge everything that crosses your path. Consider and even momentarily entertain viewpoints opposite to your own, seeing how they feel. Do anything to break up your normal train of thinking and your sense that you already